So for this term, or for this problem, you see that you have three separate terms. So this really is just to differentiate term by term. There's nothing really special going on here. The only special thing is you do have to deal with these fractions. So let's talk a little bit about that. We would take 7 times -1/2, and this 7 over 1 we would multiply straight across. So that would give us -7/2 when we multiply the coefficient of 7 with the brought down exponent. So that gives us -7/2 x. Then we would take -1/2 our exponent and subtract 1. So the -1 would become a 2 over 2. So that would become a -3/2 as our new exponent. All right, for the second term, we're going to do the same thing, and let me just draw a little line here so we're clear. So for the second term, I'm going to bring down the -3/4 and multiply that by 2. And yes, you can multiply straight across, or you can notice that this 2 and this 4 have a common factor, so you could cross out a 2 factor, and that would leave you with -3/2 as your new coefficient. And then you would have x, and then you would take your -3/4 and subtract 1, so the -1 would be 4 over 4, so that would give you -7/4. So your new exponent would be -7/4. Now for the third term, you're just going to bring down, and there's just a 1 in front, so it's -2 x, and then subtract 1. So do be careful here, -2 minus 1, sometimes people get kind of crazy and they'll start saying it's -1 or something like that, but it's -3. So we have -3 as our new exponent. And at that point you're done. You don't have to remove negative exponents or anything like that.